Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer money from EBT card to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click your profile icon on the top right corner. Scroll down until you will see linked banks and then click it. Now you need to click this plus icon right here and you need to enter your EBT card information right there. You can try to add your EBT card on your Cash App account, guys, but if it doesn't accept it, you can do another thing, guys. You can click no card on the bottom left menu. Click continue and in the search you need to type EBT. And from here you can choose California Electronic Benefit Transfer, EBT, and you can try to add your EBT card through this way. But if it still doesn't work, you can do another thing. You can get cash back from Walmart. So if you use your EBT card on Walmart, then you can get cash back and put the money in your Cash App account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.